Dear students, welcomes you all in your YouTube channel SS Science Academy. Today we have to see preparatory bridge course test second of class 10th of subject science and technology part 1. This test is for 15 marks. This test is for 15 marks and the time is 30 minutes. This whole exam is based on activity sheet number 5 to 8. The first question is solve the following questions. Here 8 questions are given. You have to answer any 5 of them. I solved all the questions. You select what you want to answer. The first question is graphite is used to make carbon electrode. Explain. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity, hence it is used to make carbon electrode. Then the second question is why concave mirrors used in solar equipment? Why concave mirrors are used in solar equipment? The answer is because sun rays reflected by concave mirror are come together in focal plane, hence concave mirrors are used in solar equipment. You have to answer either this question or above questions. Now the second question is write the definitions. Here you have to write any one of these three. Work is said to be done when force applied on an object cause displacement of the object. Potential difference. The difference between the values of potentials at 2 points is called the potential difference. And the third definition is power. The rate at which work is done is called power. Now the next question is you have to write a mirror formula. Here is the mirror formula. 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F, where V is the image distance, U is the object distance and F is the focal length. Now the fourth question is which type of bonds is present in saturated hydrocarbon? Then a covalent bond is present in saturated hydrocarbon. The smallest hydrocarbon is the methane. Now the fifth question is which component of the electrical circuit this symbol denotes? This symbol denotes a battery. Now the next question is identify the type of bulb connection in figure. Here figure is given, you have to identify which connection is. This is the series connection. The next question is if the angle between two plane mirror is 120 degree, then calculate the number of images formed. Here two images are formed. If the angle is 120 degree, this can be calculated by the formula n is equal to 360 upon given angle minus 1. This formula is used to calculate this. Now the next question is carbon compounds are found in which two forms? The carbon compounds are formed in free as well as in a combined form. These are the two forms of carbon compounds. Now the second question started here. The second question is for 10 marks. Solve the following. Here also 8 questions are given. You have to answer any 5 of them. I solved all here. The first question asks that the symbols, here one diagram is given and some symbols are given. You have to connect all these components in a circuit diagram. The symbols for the components used in electric circuit are given in the chart. Complete the circuit by connecting them at proper position. In the diagram, which role can be proved with the help of this circuit? Here I write the answers. The components are connected as like this, and this circuit helps to prove an Ohm's law. Now the next question is, here also again a diagram is given. Observe this diagram and you have to answer these two questions. The first question is, what is the position of the object? You can see that the object is in between center of curvature and focus, and write the position and nature of the image. You can see that image is formed behind the center of curvature. That is, position of image is the behind the center of curvature, and the image is of course inverted and real. Now the next question is, here again a diagram is given and you have to write the answer. What is seen in the given experiment? State the reason behind it. In this experiment, it is shown that the air is blown by the mouth into the lime water. When an air is blown into the lime water, the carbon dioxide present in air reacts with water, due to which lime water turns milky. This reaction can be happened during the blown of air into the lime water. Now the next question is, which gas is released in the fire extinguishers? Write a property and a uses of these type of extinguishers. Here a diagram of fire extinguisher is given. In this type of fire extinguisher releases CO2. What is the property? They do not cause corrosion and are non-conductors of electricity. That's why they are used when electrical and electronic equipment catches fire. Now the next question is, distinguish between, here two distinguishes are given, kinetic energy, potential energy, and second one is a conductor and insulator. I write the answer of only one. You have to also to answer any one of them. So conductors and insulators. Conductors are the good conductors of electricity. Insulators are the bad conductors of electricity. Conductors have low resistances and insulators have high resistances. Example of conductors are the all metals, and insulators are the all non-metals. Now the next question is, here a diagram is given. What will happen if an electric current is flown in the circuit in the figure? Which material is present in the pencil? Which property of that material is found in this experiment? So the first question, what will happen if an electric current is flown? Whenever we pass the electric current through that circuit, the bulb will be glow. An electric current is flow in the circuit in the figure, bulb will be glow. The pencil, graphite is present in the pencil, and electric conductivity of graphite is found in this experiment. The third, which property of the material is found in this experiment? The electrical conductivity of graphite is found in this experiment. Now the next question is, write the rules for drawing a ray diagram by observing the given figure. Here three figures are given for three rules. Observing these three diagrams, you have to answer or you have to write the rules. The first rule is, if an incident ray parallel to the principal axis, if an incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, then the reflected ray passes through the focus. Now the second rule is, if an incident ray passes through the focus, principal focus of the mirror, the reflected ray is parallel to the principal axis. Now the third rule is, if an incident ray passes through center of curvature of the mirror, the reflected ray traces the same path. Now the last question is here one numerical is given. Resistors having resistances of 15 ohm, 20 ohm, 10 ohm are connected in parallel. What is the effective resistances in the circuit? Here R1, R2, R3 are given. We have to find out RP. To find out this, we can write down the formula. 1 upon RP is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Put all the values and solve this. After solving this, we get RT, that is effective resistance, is 4.61 ohm. Here your test is finished. Now to appreciate us, please subscribe our channel, share the link of that video, and if you have any queries or doubts, please comment.